What's up, what's up? It's your boy Ivan here again, and today I will be doing another video of sneaker unboxing. So please come and join me, and let's do this. Bang! Alright, so look at those. They're beautiful. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parcel that we need to open up. And let's do this. Let's open it. Jordan 1 box, size 9.5. Enjoy it, bro. Free stickers from me. Thanks, Henry. Got the receipt. Damn! Wow! There's the free stickers. Get the Supreme. And another Supreme sticker. Oh, another sticker. Google. That's Jordan 1 Fine Green. So you get your red laces, extra laces there. Yes, but the pair came from USG Stores, Adelaide, Australia. This one I got from Oscar, and I got this from retail, so shout out for Oscar. Thanks for the retail assist on this one. Love it. Jordan 11 bucks, size 9, my size. Got that. That's the second page. Ooh, so fresh. Another pair added in my collection. Jordan there. Third box. Oops. Getting too excited. Alright, it's Jordan 1 High OG Women's, UNC to Chicago. It's in size 10.5 women, so that's around size 9, 9.5, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Wow!
I love that smell. Woo! The UNC color there, and you got the Chicago colorway color there as well. So nice, so clean. Missed out on them when they were first released, so obviously they're all sold out, and reseller kills the game, obviously. But luckily, I got them from the raffle. There you go. Shoe number 3. This one I bought from my Ninong Jared. Thanks for this one, Ninong. Yeezy 700. Jesus, love them. Wave runners. Let's go to box number 5. Let's open this big one. Nike Top 2.0. Bam. See from Culture Kings. Shout out Culture Kings. There you go. This is in size 9.5, so my size again. Got the lace. Jeez, cool. You got your charger plate inside as well. That goes in there to another box. Unlimited boxes. Woo! Secret fresh merchandise. Fresh from Philippines, huh? Sancho Papa. Got the hoodie. Get the t-shirts. Let's see what they look like. Let's open it. Nice. Secret Fresh Sancho Papa.
Big boy chain. I got your t-shirt, bro. I'll wear them. At the back, that's the design. Ooh, looks good, man. Looks good. Quality's great as well.
Just Secret Fresh logo on the front of the t-shirt. Nice. Black hoodie. Secret Fresh at the back. Now we have 2 parcels left, which is this one here. I'm very excited to open, and this one as well. This one I ordered them like 1 month ago, and it finally arrived. So let's open it. There you go, man. Nike by you, my tribute to Kobe.
Wow.
Damn. Lakers colorway. That's for you, brother, Kobe Bryant. So as you can see, guys, you got number 24 on the left shoe. You got yellow and purple. You got the K on your right shoe. And number 8, which is reflects to Kobe Bryant's jersey. You got the Mamba. And then the other one is black. So it's a black Mamba. Really happy with the result, and really worth it having it custom made. And the other one, I got Kobe jersey. There you go. It's from Foot Locker. Exactly, it's my size XL. Lakers. Love them, man, love them. Rest in peace, brother. Rest in peace, brother. Yeah. Small recap. So we got Kobe Bryant jersey. We got Kyrie 6 custom made. Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago from my bro Kevin Yang. Secret Fresh t-shirts or merchandise from Philippines. Secret Fresh. Thank you for assisting me, Ranjan. The Wave Runner from my Ninong Jared. Thank you, Ninong. BB Adapt 2.0, which is I'm excited to wear and play basketball with. Jordan 11 Breds. And we got Jordan 1 Pine Trees. So pretty much that's all that we got. So excited to wear them, man. So excited. Alright guys, that's all it. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please do so. Please like, share, and subscribe to Ivan Elu and share it. Thank you. My family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio.